can tell you all about why we gotta go. Oh, 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 oh. See, nobody can tell me it would have been ugly until we can know that we're never gonna be the somebody with no way to get them to obey. Then you can be anyone that you wanna be. You tell nothing but lies, I can see it in your eyes. There's something to hide, why don't you show it to me? No point trying to read minds, I see in between lines. You gotta be so, so lonely. And if I knew what I know now, I'd be another minute ready for no good news again. Gotta get to the only hope within thickness of my blood. Say goodbye, it's time for something different. You and I don't know how we missed it. Maybe I could be the one to fix it. Say goodbye, I know I won't change my mind. Oh no, I gotta go, I think they're waiting for me. Don't know how to be cold, yeah maybe you can tell me why I need to keep it below the level to the ending that we both already know. Oh, 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 see nobody can change it, it's already been painted. Remember the way that we made it colorful. And I wanna believe you, but now that you see through, I can't even look you in the eye. Suppose adamantly, and I'ma find a way around it. Cause I can see there ain't no better way to find you than underneath what you've been hiding from us all this time. Time. And if I knew what I know now, I'd be another minute ready for no good news again. Gotta get to the only answer then, deep within your blood.
Natural.